How to turn on automatic brightness on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on automatic brightness on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on display. And now here, once you're inside this section, if you scroll down there, then there you'll see the option labeled as brightness level. So there you can just tap on it. And now here, once you're inside this section, here you'll see the option labeled as automatic brightness. So here you can just toggle on this option. And here, that's it. That's how you can turn on automatic brightness on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.